Hey guys, Andy here with Expert Renovation. Good morning. Beautiful day. Crew's happy. I don't know why winter seems to be our roofing season, but it is. Back in one of our favorite neighborhoods, Cross Creek Circle. Gotten all of these houses that you can see over the years. Great folks, got a beautiful place here. It's a 65 square roof. Got all the pros up there today. Ronaldo up there. So we're going to be doing some Certainty landmarks, charcoal black, roof runner synthetics. Homeowners getting their car moved out. Castile had her can here. Get the drone up here shortly. So this is how we do it. Got any kind of steep, difficult, high-end residential homes that need a roof, please call us. 478-501-0102. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.